Okay, so a basic overview of the operator interface panel located on the front top of the machine. Here you have your display. It's telling you the print mode that it's in right now, which is single color. You have your total piece count, which tells you how many prints that you have on that cycle, which is reset just by hitting this counter button here. Up on the top, underneath, you have a picture of a cliche with a pad on it. That's our delay for the cliche pickup. And we also have our delays for print number 1 and print number 2. This tape clean icon here is not used on this configuration. Your plus and minus are used to adjust your parameters for your delays. You have a cycle button for your 2-color actuator, which is located here. You've got a function key here, which would basically give you control over whether or not you're going to use the machine as a 1 or a 2-color printer. Hitting the power button will take you back to the main display. The T button is what you're going to use to set up the machine for the most part. Here we have the descent ink that's basically telling the actuator how far to travel to pick up a clean image with the pad. You've got descent on print 1. Again, this tells the actuator how far to bring the pad down in order to make the prints. You've also got for print 2. And also in here are your pauses. So this would tell the machine to wait a certain amount of time before it picked up an image. And also it would tell it to wait before it printed the image. So here we have these lights are flashing consecutively. That means the machine is in manual mode. And basically I can control each function of the machine. This is to bring the pad forward or backwards. This is to bring the pad up or down. And then you also have the option to cycle the ink to mix it on the cliche. This is your single cycle mode. This basically only does one print until you tell it to do another print. And that's controlled either with the start button or the foot switch itself. Continuous cycle will print one right after the other, obviously as continuous states. And you can stop any of the continuous cycles with this stop button here. The emergency stop dumps all the air and loses all functionality of the machine. It's reset just by doing a half a turn and then hitting the power button one more time.